Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Zeph Cruz back here for another video. Today we got a special type of vlog going on. It's pretty cool, it's pretty dope. We have some fun times with some cool ass people. Now let's get into the video and show you guys what really goes on. Let's go.
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow to. I need some space in the ocean, and I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with, or stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted.
Time to clear out this garage. Ew. It's about to be empty today. I mean, these people have definitely seen it in the back of the videos, Mom. So honestly, like, there's nothing to hide here. All this stuff is getting taken out today, and I'm gonna actually make this garage useful for once. So let's get to it. I got the U-Haul truck already. I already cleared out the driveway from all the cars. So all we have to do now is just clean out the garage. So let's go. Bro, what the fuck?
Not it. The mythical straw.
I brought everybody water. Does anybody want anything else, like a soda or anything like that?
Dude, I might. Do I want a Modelo right now? Do I want a Modelo right now? Yeah, I think do I want? I videotaped it this time. It's on film. I have it on film this time, so no one's getting away with it. So one of you guys about to own up to some hard shit right now. I'm not even playing. Dude, because you guys keep freaking putting this damn straw on my shoulder, and where's it coming from? I don't know. Now I have the proof.
Do we need
Tripping hard.
down there or anything like that?
What toppings?
Okay, so I think pepperoni is definitely.
Okay, we'll get pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Are we doing anything else though? Real talk.
Chicken.
Chicken and pepperoni.
Dude, I'm just. I stopped it right there. I'm gonna wait till
He wants access to my OnlyFans. Should I give it to him?
Hey, no, you down to subscribe to me?
Only if it's vice versa, bro.
See, look, Darth Vader died, right? And when he fucked up and said, basically, I don't want to do this shit no more, he loaned me this, right?
He
But,
loaned
like,
me.
it don't really do the thing I wanted to. It don't like...
Oh my god.
You don't want to
Denial like the river, bro?
deny it, bro.
Denial like the river, bro?
Deny it, bro.
Deny it, dog. Oh my god, dude. I'm about to kill somebody.
How does it feel to eat out a demon? It's both of them at the same time, cuz. My eyes just twitching.
Andrew, you gotta try one of these wings, bro.
Bro,
No, you
okay.
have to do it, bro.
You have to do it, bro.
No, but he gotta go behind a car. I mean, so do you. You gotta drive.
Bro, I gotta drive a U-Haul truck.
Yeah, fuck you. See, look.
Yeah.
You're over here trying
Right
to
there.
do me in
Bro,
with some
get
shit.
it.
I'm alright, bro.
Look at all these wings, the darkest one.
Look, I hear you guys.
You have to.
Well, you don't want your...
You want shutter eye?
You want blink uncontrollably, bro. I don't know if I want to cough or burp right now. They stole my pizza crust. It's a whole pizza. Here, eat some lettuce.
So you acting like that. It's not that bad.
I ate two,
I
bro.
hate spicy.
Shut the fuck up. Don't lie to him right now. I should hit you right now for lying. Wait, we have lemon pepper. That'll help. Oh, but it's mixed with the honey hot.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yeah?
I feel like you didn't get one.
I think I ate one. I think I'm eating the one you're supposed to eat right now. Bite this. Ow. What the fuck that? I don't want it.
That's like orange.
Dude.
I don't want it.
You did not just body that again, bro.
Yeah, you didn't eat the right one, bro. No way.
That's yours.
Oh, now you did, though.
It tastes the same.
I don't know what to say anymore. I'm paid.
I fucked up. My mouth's burning.
Oh, now it's burning?
Yeah, after burn, like a motherfucker.
What the fuck? I was thinking the same shit, bro. I was like, no, not the Playboys.
Almost there. Come on, I'm not that heavy.
Now let him go.
Guys, my fucking foot hurts.
Toss it.
No one was ready.
Toss it.
No one was ready.
Toss it. I got this shit. Shut the fuck up. No, I'm just playing. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Oh, damn it! Fuck! Yeah, beat this shit up.
Beating up, don't. Glasses aren't working out for you.
No, I know, huh?
Zach, bro, your boy broke it down on the fucking
Bro, feel right here.
Bro, why is your toe lifted, bro?
Dude, I don't know, bro. Yeah, you're done, bro. I'm sorry. No, ask him what he just felt on my foot. Nothing.
Bro, a broken bone. No, it's snap, bro.
It's not.
Yeah, that's a little fucked, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie either, boss.
Hey, you're fit. Hey, you're fit.
You do not still have the glasses on right now, bro.
I do. They're helping. Your fishy rocks fell out.
My fishy rocks.
No, like
My fishy rocks.
not all the.
I don't like your blue.
Well, fuck!
What you got against blue, cuz? I knew that one was coming. What you got against blue, cuz? I knew that one was coming. Come here, come here. What you got against blue, cuz? I know it's crib game. What you got against blue, cuz? What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
Oh, damn it.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. Y'all, so the garage, we got pretty much cleared out, cleaning up stuff. Got a bunch of shelves on the wall. Oh my God, we've done so much. And we're having a yard sale right now. Yeah, we're having a yard sale right now. I think I've organized this pretty well. We got everything out right now. This is not what the stuff that we took out of the garage, but that will be very soon because we got a lot of stuff to get rid of. But this is the first beam of all the stuff that's in the crib. First day, number one. We got tomorrow and the day after that. But yeah, we got it done.
Shiitake what?
You don't know what a shiitake mushroom? You're
never-
really stupid if you don't know what that is, bro.
I'm sorry, I've
It's
never
used to
been
make food. It's a real mushroom. It's not just no fucking meme like you probably thought, you fucking 12-year ass bitch.
Jody, send me your plug.
Josh.
Send me
No
your
one's
plug.
sending you shit, bro. No one's sending you the
Oh, you're
plug.
tweaking. You're tweaking, dog. Your plug is fucking.
Give me my fucking
This
vape.
is my vape.
It's not.
weak.
It's not. It's not. Give me the vape, Josh.
Your hands are weak.
Give me the vape, Josh.
Bada bing boom.
Give me the vape, Josh.
Oh,
You're not taking shit.
oh fuck.
Turn it around.
Throw my vape out.
I did. You're a piece of shit. I threw that hoe. Nigga.
Kill you.
Go get it. Go. He just broke the door. He broke the fucking. Here, hold him.
No. Get it away.
Wait, let's burn him.
What? What? Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up.
Someone get a stick.
Nigga, did you just grab one?
Yeah.
Bro, his eyes glow, bro.
Dude, his eyes look so fucking cool.
Just don't let it go.
Wait, but does he burn? Or not burn? Does he bite?
Oh, dude.
He's grabbing onto me. He's holding on. He's like, Dad, don't let go. Dad, don't let go of me. I got you, buddy.
How did you grab it?
Dude, because I'm a G, all right? Just know that. Dude, does he sting, though? He keeps wigging his tail at me, dog. What you got going on, homie? It's a real-life dragonfly. Look. Will he flap his wings? No? I'm about to throw him in the fire pit if he doesn't do so.
Do it, bro. At this point.
We're
What
all
do you want him to do? Do a backflip?
We are downstairs. You already know how it goes. We are coming down to see if we can find some food. It's kind of late, actually, to be honest with you. And it's a total like 11:48. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I'm hungry. I'm hungry again, and I'm gonna find some food to eat because you already know some food really just be bomb in the middle of the night. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, there's so much to eat in here. It's like, I lied. There ain't shit to eat in here. Do y'all have any of this same problems as I do? A house full of food and you can't eat nothing? Yo, like, why do I got chocolate? Why I got is that mint chocolate? I don't even like mint. What the? This is a democracy. Who's feeding Zeph out here? Ain't nobody feeding Zeph out here. Zeph is starving. A little bit. I don't eat a lot, but honestly, one meal a day is not bad for you if you do it right. I like to starve myself just so I can hustle a little bit better because honestly, eating food tires you down. It's weird. Maybe it's just because of what I'm eating. I don't know if it's just like unhealthy dietary or if it actually is a thing, but I like to eat when my day is finished after I'm done out hustling so I can go to sleep, passed out with a full stomach,
I'll be slumped. Hey, but that's where we're gonna end up after we find this meal. I found a snack. Finally, we got some leftover spaghetti. It's gonna be fire. But this is what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start vlogging my daily life no matter what. Kind of do a little bit of everything, everywhere. It's better that way because y'all get to see more of me, more of my life. I don't know if I'm cooking this up too much, but I guess time will tell. Exactly 30 seconds from now is when it'll stop. Poppity pop, 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 pop. Spaghetti is done. Y'all, I just want to say something cool. My mom recently bought an ice maker. Yo, this shoots out the best ice. Like, screw the refrigerator, y'all. This is some different shit. You know what I'm saying? She be getting mad because I'll be taking on the ice. I'll be like, nah, Ma, you don't understand. I think she do understand. That's probably why she getting mad that I'm taking it off. Because she fuck with it. Oh my God. I just watched all the ice cubes drop off. That was pretty dope. My lens is so dirty.
It looks like I was recording on the iPhone too. Now we look like we updated to the iPhone Pro 13 Pro Max. You know what I'm saying? Like, just a little simple white, you know, makes it look 20 million times better. And I got some ice with me, and I got some juice. What y'all know about this Twister fruit punch? Yep, got that Tabasco on me all the time. You already know, I'm that dark-skinned Mexican, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta pour up, you know? Take that shot. Ooh, yeah, they gonna get drunk tonight, you know what I'm saying? We be pouring bottles up in here. Alright, I think I'm gonna shut this off. I'm gonna pile this in my mouth. I'm gonna eat it up. I'm gonna go to sleep. So y'all, thank you for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. It's been your boy Zev from Cruise Customs. It's like, nah, it's just been your boy Zev, because that's my business in the background. I gotta stop saying that like I'm in the old time. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay safe.